Oh my, here below, the goddess comes and then she goes. Spring is here, the gift of birth. Life is springing from the earth. Sun returns, the god from rest, bringing life where there was death. Oh my, here below, the gods they come and then they go. Seasons change and waters flow. Gentle rain will banish snow. Soft warm breeze caress our skin, and the cycle will begin. Oh my, here below. Oh my, here below. Oh my, here below. The goddess comes and then she goes.